The next thing that you do is tamp the coffee in the basket. I take my tamper, and I do this in 2 motions. First, just setting the tamper kind of in there, and you're just getting it level. Take it back out and lightly tap the side of the portafilter, and as you see, the coffee from the outside ring there kind of falls back into the basket. Then I go back and I actually tamp with 30 pounds of pressure. And at the end, spin it. And what that spinning is called polishing, and what that's going to do is kind of clean up the coffee inside the basket there. And you can kind of just wipe down the portafilter. And so one question you might ask at home is, how would you know where 30 pounds is? And the best guide to go by to figure that out is when you're going to buy a tamper. You get a tamper that's called a click tamper, and it looks just like this one, but there's a mechanism in it that gives way at 30 pounds of pressure, kind of like a torque wrench. That's the best way to train yourself to know where 30 pounds of pressure is. So now that it's all distributed and tamped, you have a coffee puck inside your portafilter that's ready for insertion and brewing for your espresso shots for your latte.